Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on start icon, then select device manager. It will open any window that is device manager. Now expand sound, video and game controller. Right click and select update driver. Now just follow my screen. After that, click on check for updates and wait for some time. Then download and install the latest update version. Now close this window. Again, right click on update drivers, just select this and click on next. Select as. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Then close this windows. Now right click on and select troubleshoot sound problems. It will try to detect the problems for playing audio. Now click here and then check this box, click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. Again open device manager. Then expand sound, video and game controller. Right click on it and select uninstall device. Go to search bar, type Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Realtek audio drivers and then click on this link from intel.com. Select the version, latest one, and click here to download the setup file for software, driver software. Now extract this. Open this folder. And double click on setup file, select as, and complete the installation setup process. Click on next. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, check this option and click on finish. It will automatically restart your machine. Once done, you can check. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.